I welcome you all in this brand new course called Trick to Remember Fundamental Rights. This is presented by me, Rahul Sakya. I am a mechanical engineering student. So, in this course, we will cover the article number 19 of the Fundamental Rights and one more information regarding this lesson, that if you have not watched the previous lesson up till now, then first watch that lesson. The link for that lesson is provided in the comment in the description box itself. So in this lecture we will cover the trick to remember fundamental rights, that is the article number 19. So article number 19 is all about the right to freedom. So in this we will cover this by the trick called Sam resides in Persia. So what you need is to remember this trick called Sam resides in Persia. Sam is a name of a person, just like Golu Molu. We have the different persons in our society. So Sam is likewise a person in the society. He resides in the Persia. So you have to remember this trick, and if you remember this trick, you will easily correlate the articles with that. So here we have we have to arrange these letters and these particular words that are highlighted here in a particular sequence. So here Sam resides in Poland, and as you can see, Sam SAAM resides would be taken together, and Persia is here. So you have to remember these keywords related to these tricks. So S stands for speech and expression, A stands for assembly, A stands for association, then M stands for movement, R stands for resides and residence, and P stands for Persia stands for profession. Okay, you have to remember these things. So if you remember these things, then the following task will be a cakewalk for you. So here the different articles will be correlated by this trick itself. So as you can see, S stands for speech and expression. So first subclause under the article 19 is right to freedom of speech and expression. Similarly, assembly will be presented here, right to assemble peacefully. Association will be presented here, right to form association and uniform and cooperative societies. Similarly, movement, residence and professions will be covered in the following articles called right to move freely, right to reside, residence is here itself, and the last one is the profession, so it is here. So what you need is to remember this. Thank you.